Wildfires have been a part of Earth's ecosystem for thousands of years. They occur when dry vegetation ignites due to heat and lightning. The fire spreads rapidly in windy conditions. Temperature, humidity, and wind all influence wildfire behavior. Fire creates its own weather systems, leading to dangerous firestorms. Wildfires can release large amounts of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. Certain plants like sequoias rely on fire for regeneration. Firefighters use controlled burns to manage and prevent wildfire. Understanding wildfire behavior helps in developing effective management strategies. Education and awareness are key to wildfire prevention and safety.